Look at that.
Petting the camera like it's a kitty. Oh, kiss it. Ah, yes, finally outside to look at the big stuff, like this bad boy. Ooh, boy. That's a big one.
That thing is massive.
Hate you.
Finally, we can eat.
Kaylee was starving in there and really thirsty, and I was like, hey, just take a drink. She's like, we can't. The sign said no food or drink. I was like, just drink, you're fine. And then she proceeded to try to drink while her mask was still on. She's having a funny day. You trying to get out? See if we can fit the baby in this massive tire.
I could even fit in there. This should be fun. Thumbnail.
Look at you.
We just got our new thumbnail.
Wow, look at you.
You inside the tire?
Here, stand with her. And I'll put the picture.
Yeah, you two both. Look at that.
You can do it.
It's eating you.
I'm
She's like, oh, I'm gonna sit down now. Never played with gravel before. Look at this. This is a vast, just array of different flying ships. Oh boy, how far yonder, there's so many. This place is neat. Come all the way over here to see some really cool planes, and this is all she wants. What are you doing? Oh. Yeah, it's because they still did it to me.
What? What? That's my coat. I knew that was good.
So my dad put $1 in the Coke machine, and it wouldn't like take his coins or something, and so then someone else went and bought a Coke. And he used the $1 he already put in.
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
I have my liquid IV. What is it? It's like 3 times the hydration.
Ooh, this thing's cool.
This is the new one. And it's got a swing wing like the F-111 does.
And some massive jet intake looking things.
So the purpose for the swing wing is that it was a supersonic bomber. When it went into supersonic mode, the wings would sweep back. When they were coming in for landing, they'd bring the wings out so it could land at a lower speed.
Oh, dang. The B-1 Lancer. The cool thing about the outside ones is there's no guardrails. Those are some beefy engines. Look at that. That's a funny looking helicopter. She stepped on the gravel, doesn't know what to do. I'm stuck. Come this way. Hey, come here. Come over here. She's ahead. Help me out of this. Help me out of this foreign land.
There you go.
There you are. Oh, okay. Can't be in the pictures. Let's go get a closer look.
Oh, I can see. So the back. Look at that.
Petting the camera like it's a kitty. Oh, kiss it.
Prior to jet aircraft for generals and
Wow, fancy.
dignitaries. It was pretty good too.
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, no, you got the hat.
Look at you guys.
Haha.
Boo! Boo!
You came out on the other side. Look at that. It's so big. Ooh. There's something living inside it too.
It's a bird.
Nasties. You see that? Crazy little bird. Good old nose art. There she is, the C-130 Hercules. The beast my uncle used to fly. These things are wild. Planes are so cool. How was it?
What?
How was it?
How was what?
Is she asleep? Okay. It's like,
We're all exhausted. This place is cool, but there's a lot to see. A lot to see.
yes, it was a crazy, fun little adventure. Really cool to see some of the crazy technology that goes into this stuff.
Yeah.
But we had a good time. I hope you guys did too. We love you. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.